Hello, my name is Gary, and I want to thank you for joining me today. We'll take a few minutes and learn how to do something together. Always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. With that said, let's take a few minutes and learn how to purchase Altura token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap on iPhone. So we're going to start by going here to Smart Chain. If you just set up a brand new wallet, it should look something like this. We'll tap on Smart Chain and we'll tap on Buy Smart Chain. Let's just do $50 for this demonstration video. Will get us about 1/10 of a Binance coin. You can choose a provider, MoonPay or Simplex. I'll just go with MoonPay because they have the best price, and tap Next. This part should be pretty self-explanatory. Enter your email address, get the verification code, fill in all of your details, and get to the end where you can select your payment. I'm going to fast forward through this part. We'll go ahead and use Apple Pay. Tap Buy with Apple Pay. And I can use this Visa card that I have in my Apple Pay. Transaction complete. So we'll wait a few minutes for this verification to finish. In the back end, the provider is basically purchasing our crypto and transferring it into our Trust Wallet. All right, looks like it has been received. And we can move on to the next step. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on Done. It looks like the applet here doesn't know the crypto has been delivered, but I saw the push notification come at the top showing that we did receive it. So I'm going to tap on Done and tap on Done. Go back and refresh the wallet, and there it is. All right, now that we've received our Smart Chain BNB, we're going to leave the Trust Wallet app and open up Google Chrome. From here, we're going to go to PancakeSwap.finance. All right, now that we're at PancakeSwap, we want to tap Connect Wallet at the top right-hand corner. We will then tap on Wallet Connect and then tap on Trust Wallet. You'll be brought back into your Trust Wallet app, and this pop-up will come up to confirm you want to connect PancakeSwap. Tap on Connect, and then manually transfer back over to your Chrome browser. Now you'll see a little wallet in the corner there, and if you tap on the arrow, you can tap on Wallet, and you'll see your address for your wallet. It will also show your balance, which in this case is about 0.1 BNB. All right, now we tap on the hamburger menu in the top left corner and go to Trade. Go to Exchange. So we'll tap down here where it says Select a Currency and tap where it says Search Name or Paste Address. And we're going to paste in the contract address for Altura. You can find that contract address in my description for this video. All right, so copy that contract address and then paste it right in here. Tap on Done. You should see this logo, ALU, Altura, and tap on Import. You may get this warning that it is risky to import tokens via address. Tap on I understand and tap on Import. All right, now we can tap on the blue max lettering beside BNB. Say we want to use all of the BNB that we have, and it will show us an estimate of how many Altura tokens we will get, and we'll tap on Swap. Tap on Confirm Swap, and we will be brought back into Trust Wallet automatically. Tap on Confirm in Trust Wallet, and then manually go back over to your Chrome browser. The transaction has been submitted to the blockchain. Tap Close. Now, in rare cases, the transaction may fail. In this case, it was executed, so we see that notification. And we see a notification in PancakeSwap as well. All right, now we can head back over to our Trust Wallet. Now you may notice Altura doesn't show up in your Trust Wallet. To fix this, go up to the top right-hand corner and tap on the switches there. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Add Custom Token. Tap on Network and tap on Smart Chain. Then paste in that contract address again. And these fields will load. Altura ALU 18 decimals, tap Save. And there it is. Go back to Manage, tap Done, and we're all done. So if you liked what you saw, drop me a like, and if you have anything to say, comment below, and I'll reply as quick as I can. Cheers.